Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to install an aux cable in your radio in your e46. And what I've got here is the sat-nav navigation radio. So I've already took everything out because I wanted to make sure that everything goes to plan, that everything works. So where I started off from is them two panels here. First, you're going to have this one in here. You will need a flat screwdriver. You need to put that screwdriver in here and kind of take it out. Try not to put too much force, too much power, because you will end up snapping the plastic. So after you took this one off, you'll have another one here. This holds the radio basically, so you need to take that out as well. There's no screws, no nothing, just need to be careful when you're taking it out. So after you've done that, you've got 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, this one with us, 4. And then when you took that out, you can take the radio out, but no yet. First, you need to take this out. And to take this out, you need to, don't know how you're going to do it, but don't be scared to add so much force to it, but try not to grab anything here, because you obviously don't want to damage it. Try and put a flat screw in here and there, and kind of try and take it out. Don't be scared if it's not going out and that you've got a feeling that you're going to break the plastic, but try not to grab here or here, otherwise you will break it. After this comes off, you've got a wee wire here. You can leave it. I'm just going to put mine over here so it holds that. So now after this, you can take the radio out. I've already done that. I took my radio out, and you've got 2 cables here. First, you're going to take this one out, just like that, and then the other one, like that. So that's the radio turned off. And then you can do the further steps. So in my car, or in yours, you were meant to have something else. Obviously someone's already been here and they were trying to fucking do something, and obviously didn't work out, so I had to basically cut this open, and that's the auxiliary cable that I've ordered. The link will be down in the description. So there it is. I'll show you in a second. And the thing is, 2 seconds, I'm gonna look for something. Just can't find that part, but you're gonna see it when I put it in the link. So basically you're gonna have like a wee input, and this cable is my auxiliary, and this cable is in the car already, and it will be like a wee input for your aux, which you were meant to just put in and that's it working. But I had something else, someone mixed something up, so I already took it out. The aux cable, I had to rip that out as well, so I can do this. 2 secs, so I've put that one, and the other wires too. And once you've put the aux input in, you can slowly put the radio in. But first, before you do anything, how did I do it? Just opened the window. Sorry for that. So first you're going to put them 2 cables on the side in. This one and the blue one. I'm going to put it in. It's not complicated, you just push it in. And then boom. Then the blue one. But make sure your aux is in the input. And you put the other one in. Just like this. It's so hard to do it when you're holding a phone as well. I think I'll put the blue one in first. It'll be easier for you. So put the blue one in. First you'll have more space. Just remember, then you put it's all coloured out, so you shouldn't make a mistake. Just then you put the white one and the blue one. Why? Well, I don't know why, but that's not how it's meant to be, so obviously then you do it and you put the other one in. That's it in. Now your radio's on. Let the camera focus. It's not wanting to focus. There we go. Mode. Aux. And that's the aux. The aux definitely works, I've tried it out. And now you're all set to go. Just make sure that you've connected everything properly. And after you've put the radio in, make sure all the screws are in properly for the vents, this panel as well. And that's you ready to go. And for the aux cable, some people drill holes through there, take them out, take the vents out console, but I don't have time for that at the moment, so I might just have a wee cable sticking out from here. And yeah, that's you. Thanks for watching.